Hi! I'm in the dark. It's a little scary. And I'm walking to my car. And this is me being me, walking to my car. And the reason I'm being so strange right now is because there's a lot of fucking people out tonight. For some damn reason. Well, not as much as like, say, Thirsty Thursday or something like that. But I'm kind of taking the long way because I want to make this interesting. So I've been thinking about doing something like this, just walking around with my iPod in hand, doing a video. So let's just get at this. I'm an old man. I'm falling over. I'm a baby. That was more like a troll baby. Troll babies. Oh shit, there's a car. It's a Papa John's car. Look at the Papa John's car. And people skateboarding. Shh, I don't want them to hear me. I'm acting like I'm listening to music. Nope. 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 Okay, they're gone now. Truck! Did you see the truck? Probably not. Crossing the street. Oh, hoping I'll get run over. So, this is my impression of Richard Nixon doing an impression of Ronald Reagan. Mr. Gorbachev, tear down this wall. Now, that was probably terrible. So I'm going to make it even worse. I'm going to do Arnold Schwarzenegger doing an impression of Richard Nixon doing an impression of Ronald Reagan. Mr. Gorbachev, tear down this wall. Yes, that was epic. Yes, yes it was. SUV, they gave me a funny look. Funny looks. That was creepy, wasn't it? I look creepy when I go like this. There's something wrong with me, I think. Oh shit. I'm getting close to the parking lot. I'm gonna start whispering because there's people around here. People live in that house over there. Holy shit. I'm a werewolf. It was maybe a sick werewolf with no teeth. And now I'm a dragon. Again, sick dragon. I think he has the measles. Maybe he has the measles. Shit. Things are spooking me tonight. Look at the spooky steam. Woo! I'm a nut in a rut, and I'm crazy. How's that one song go? Oh yeah. Yo ho, rattling bog down in the valley, yo. Yo ho, rattling bog down in the valley, yo. On that bog there was a tree. What kind of tree? A rattling tree. A tree in the bog down in the valley, yo. Yo ho, rattling bog down in the valley, yo. Yo ho, rattling bog down in the valley, yo. So glad there's nobody around. I probably look like an insane person. Oh wait, I am. The reason my eyes are looking down is because I'm looking at myself. I'm not looking at the camera. Now I'm looking at the camera. No. 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 Oh, dang it. I'm at my car. Well, I better get in. That means I got to go. Bye-bye.